Hi everyone, welcome to our new video on applications of implantable drug delivery systems. Before this video, we have already uploaded two videos on implantable drug delivery systems. First was the basics, in which we have seen advantages, disadvantages and basic concepts. And second one was types of implantable drug delivery systems. Now in this one, in detail with example, we will be discussing the applications so that you could properly write the answer as well as you could solve the multiple choice questions related to this topic. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel SRIP Edu Pharma, then do like, share and subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for the notification of new videos. So come on, let us start our video. Before going to applications, we will just recall the definition of implants. Implants are small, sterile, solid masses consisting of a highly purified drug made by compression or molding or extrusion. They are drug delivery systems which provide controlled delivery of drug over a period of time at the site of implantation. Now, they can be implanted for various effects that we will be seeing further in this video, which will be the areas in which these implants are applicable. First application of implantable drug delivery systems is related to women's health. In women's health, there could be the contraceptive action or related to some female problems. Like first example is Norplant. It is non-biodegradable reservoir implant. The device contains hormone levonorgestrel and it is used for contraceptive action. Second is Implanon. In this the hormone is etonogestrel and it is also used for contraceptive effect. Third is Nexplanon. In this also the hormone is same as Implanon, that is etonogestrel, and application is also same, that is contraceptive action. And fourth one is estring, which is silicone intravaginal ring. It has hormone estradiol and it is used for the treatment of various symptoms related to menopause. Next application is related to ocular therapy. As the name suggests, it will include the implants for treating eye diseases. It could be either glaucoma or dry eye syndrome or ocular cancer or retinitis. First one is OcuCert. We know it is membrane controlling device. In this the drug is pilocarpine and along with there was alginic acid and it is used for treating glaucoma. Next is silicone rubber balloon. It contains anti-neoplastic agent which is BCNU and the application is for treating ocular cancer. Third is Vitracert. It has antiviral drug Ganciclovir. It has application that it treats CMV retinitis in patients with AIDS. Next is the implants for cancer therapy. First example of implant is Glidal wafer. It delivers chemotherapy to tumor site. It is wafer-like structure and it is applied for the treatment of brain cancer. Second is Zoladex. It is biodegradable implantable rod and the drug present in it is goserelin acetate and it is used for treating prostate cancer. Next is Vantage. It is hydrogel subcutaneous implant. In this the drug is histrelline acetate and it is used for treating prostate cancer. Fourth is Duros pump or Viador. It carries drug GnRH analog leuprolide and application is for treating prostate cancer. Next application is related to cardiovascular diseases. In this first example is drug-eluting stents, which is called DES. They were developed to overcome the problem of restenosis with bare metal stents, and the application is vascular disease treatment. Here you can see the examples. First is Cypher stent and second is Taxus stent. Then next example comes Nitrodure. It is also an implant which carries drug nitroglycerin. This we have already studied in previous video. Its application is, it is used for once a day medication of angina pectoris. Next application of implant is in pain management. In this first is Synchromed infusion pump. It carries drug baclofen and it is used for treating muscle spasticity. Second is Propufene. It is subcutaneous drug eluting device. It is developed by Titan Pharmaceuticals company. Then third is Axia Pharmaceuticals subcutaneous drug eluting device. In this the drug is hydroxymorphine and it is developed for zero order kinetics. Next comes for treating diabetes, in which first is subcutaneous implantable sensors. It is continuous glucose monitoring system and it is used for the diagnosis and treatment of diabetes. The examples of sensors are Medtronic's Enlight, second is Dexcom's G4 Platinum, and third is Glysense ICGMTM. Another disease is tuberculosis. It can be treated by the implant of isoniazid in PLGA copolymer. And second is implant of pyrazinamide drug. It gives sustained level of drug, then they are more effective and the patient compliance is achieved because it decreases the dosing frequency. Next is immunization. In immunization, example is polymeric implants like ethylene vinyl acetate copolymer pellets having bovine serum albumin as model antigen. Next comes dental applications. In this, the dental polymeric implants of stannous fluoride integrated into dental cements are present. They are used for sustained release fluoride delivery. And next application is in the field of neurology. Example, MedLaunch implant program. This was developed by Endo Pharmaceuticals and the drug is risperidone and the application is that it treats schizophrenia disease. So overall we summarize that the implants are used for the drug delivery requirements of various drugs like insulin, steroids, chemotherapeutics, antibiotics, analgesics, total parenteral nutrition, and heparin. Then the important types of implants according to these applications are orthopedic implants, dental implants, contraceptive implants, hormonal implants, intraocular implants, orthodontic implants, subdermal, intrauterine and intravaginal implants. So dear students, hope you have taken a note of all these applications related to these implantable drug delivery systems. In next video, we will be uploading the multiple choice questions related to this topic. Thank you so much. Keep learning, stay connected and do like, share and subscribe the channel SRIP Edu Pharma and press the bell icon for the same. Thank you.